Sawasdee. Welcome back to ThaiChef channel. Today I will show you how to make the very famous Thai street food, grilled chicken wings. The special marinade create a delicious flavor with the chicken. And then when grilled, we end up with juicy golden chicken wings. Great to have as a snack on their own, or as a dish eaten with sticky rice. Now, let's get cooking. Today I use 6 pieces chicken wings. Clean chicken wing with salt and wash with water a few times. One piece of coriander root and garlic 1 clove. Mint garlic and coriander root. Add salt 1/4 teaspoon. Black peppercorn 1/4 teaspoon. Pound together. Vegetable oil 1 tablespoon. Oyster sauce 1 tablespoon. Fish sauce 1 tablespoon. Soy sauce 1 tablespoon. Add black soy sauce 1/3 teaspoon. Palm sugar 1½ tablespoon. Mix it well until palm sugar dissolves. Score chicken wing both sides. Marinate with the sauce. Massage chicken wings a few minutes. And let rest 3 hours. Soak skewer in water at least 10 minutes. Doesn't burn when grilled. Use leftover sauce and mix with black soy sauce 1/4 teaspoon. Mix it well. Brush sauce on for color when grilled. Cover tip with foil so tip doesn't burn. Grill on 160 degrees Celsius 25 minutes. If you love Thai food and always want to be able to make authentic Thai meal from the comfort of your own kitchens, then welcome to ThaiChef Food Channels. My channel will take you on culinary journeys where I will personally teach you all you need to know to be able to prepare and enjoy authentic Thai cuisine for your family and friends. I hope you have all enjoyed this video, and as always, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment so that I can make even better recipe and video for you in future. I'm looking forward to see you in our next episode. ขอบคุณค่ะ